What a waste of money. It is the biggest waste of money you'd ever see.
I got it.
Look at that.
Shut the fuck up.
You're going on YouTube with that, mate.
Huh?
Here's a headset. Here's a adapter. Here's whatever it connects it to. 1 minute. What? Yeah, both. Here's the HDMI, which is probably the cheapest one you can get. Here's a controller. Let's have a look at the controller. Damn. Let's look. Spin it around, man. What are you doing, man?
Which way does it go?
Spin it around.
I'm the biggest noob ever.
Oh, look. There's a controller. Yep.
Ah!
Let's get this crappy Connect out finally. It's a bigger version than the original Kinect, which I don't like. And the console itself, you can see the big boy. I can open it. Open that, man.
Flipping phone. Get the big boy out. The Xbox.
Shut up. Oh yeah.
Oh my.
There we go.
With a flipping HDMI.
It's there. The cheap one's on the floor. So that is your console on me there.
It's actually an Xbox HDMI, so it's best for Xbox. So hash.
Show it to me. Let me sit properly. Yep. There we go. There's the console itself.
Oh, this is a big one. Days. Gotta get this all sorted.
But I think I rate the PS4 better. This is my PS4 really. One of the best consoles in the world. It's more powerful than the Xbox One. I'd advise you to get the PS4, but my brother likes the Xbox more. Alright. Cheers. Have a nice day. Peace.